The Flying Legend TP-150, an advanced military training aircraft, is currently being showcased by the Italian company Flying Legend at the Vietnam Defence Expo 2024, taking place from December 15th to 18th in Hanoi. This international defense event is providing a platform for the Italian company to present the TP-150's capabilities, which could potentially become the next training aircraft for the Vietnamese military, strengthening ties between the two nations. Designed with cost-effective pilot training in mind, the TP-150 is an ideal solution for air forces seeking an affordable high-performance training aircraft. Made entirely from aluminum and equipped with reinforced landing gear, the TP-150 is capable of operating from both grass and asphalt runways. It can withstand a load factor of +6/-3G, making it suitable for basic aerobatic maneuvers and formation flying, essential skills for new pilots. Flying Legend, based in Italy, has been producing innovative military aircraft since 2010. The company, which specializes in aluminum aircraft, has expanded internationally with new production facilities in the United States and Vietnam. The establishment of the Flying Legend Vietnam plant in 2023 marks a significant step in the company's strategy to reduce manufacturing costs and support the growing demand for cost-efficient military training aircraft. The TP-150 is powered by a 150 horsepower Rotax 915 engine, offering reduced fuel consumption and excellent performance for long-range missions. The aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 160 knots at 9,000 feet, a climb rate of 1,300 feet per minute, and an operational ceiling of 21,000 feet. It also features a maximum speed of 178 knots, and comes with a ballistic recovery system for enhanced safety. In addition to its primary role as a trainer, the TP-150 can also be configured for patrol and surveillance missions, with options for underwing fuel tanks and surveillance equipment. The aircraft's versatility, low maintenance costs, and advanced features make it an ideal candidate for both flight schools and military forces. Flying Legend's collaboration with Vietnam highlights the growing defense and industrial cooperation between the two nations. If adopted by the Vietnamese military, the TP-150 would enhance Vietnam's military aviation capabilities and further solidify its strategic relationship with Europe. With its combination of performance, cost efficiency, and adaptability, the TP-150 has the potential to play a key role in shaping the future of military training and defense aviation in Vietnam and beyond.